Hello, students, and welcome to another science online class. In continuation to the topic magnetism, let's discuss what causes the aurora. Aurora is named for the Roman goddess of dawn. The aurora is a mysterious and unpredictable display of light in the night sky. So the aurora borealis and aurora australis, often called the northern lights and southern lights, are common occurrences at high northern and southern latitudes, less frequent at mid-latitudes, and seldom seen near the equator. So aurora borealis is named after the boreal sea, and aurora australis is named after the country Australia in southern hemisphere. So the formation of aurora starts on the sun, the star of average size among billions of other stars in our Milky Way galaxy. The sun acts as an enormous power plant. The energy is created deep inside the core of the sun. So the sun's core, the temperature is over 14 million degrees, and the pressure so enormous that hydrogen atoms are squeezed together into another element, helium. So the nuclear reaction releases energy. The light radiates outward from the core of the sun in the outer layers. So the heat moves to the surface through convection cells. These electrical currents of charged gas create magnetic field inside the sun. So auroras are a sign that sun and earth are connected by more than sunlight. They indicate that something electric is happening in space. So the sun's energy is carried toward the earth in the solar wind, a stream of electrically charged particles, mostly protons and electrons, flowing out from the sun in all directions. So, in some places, strong magnetic fields push their way up to the surface. They slow down the movement of hot gas. So the surface cools and darker sunspots appear. The electrically charged gas is called plasma. So the plasma drags the magnetic field further outward. So the magnetic field stretches and twists like a rubber band, then it will break. So several billion tons of plasma is hurled out from the sun. This is called a solar storm. The solar storm can reach speeds over 8 million kilometers an hour. After 6 hours, it blows apart the planet Mercury. After 12 hours, is the planet Venus. After 18 hours, the solar storm reaches the Earth. Yeah. So these particles approach Earth. They interact with our planet's magnetic field. So this outer region surrounding the Earth, where charged particles spiral along these magnetic field lines, is called the magnetosphere.